Although the next generation Galaxy S series phones are still likely some months away from release, it's never too early to start hearing speculations about them. While the Galaxy S series has historically proven very predictable, there's a potential that things may change with the Galaxy S24 series. As of now, there have been suggestions that Samsung may go back to utilizing Exynos CPUs and that its next smartphones may have bigger batteries. The Galaxy S24 Ultra's display will likely reach a maximum brightness of 2800 nits, according to recent reports. The information was obtained by Sam Mobile via X-User, who claimed that the Galaxy S24 Ultra would have a display that can reach a maximum brightness of 2200 nits. However, Ice Universe has chimed in to say that the brightness should actually be higher. While Ice Universe doesn't give a number, the original poster does share that they are also seeing test devices that can ramp up to 2500 and 2800 nits of brightness. In general, it's really hard to believe every rumor or detail that pops up early. A new OLED panel, which is reportedly already being deployed in a retail smartphone and making its debut with the launch of the Oppo Find X6 Pro, is what allows Samsung to achieve these new upper limits. As for further information, the original poster also stated that the future Galaxy S24 Ultra would have consistent screen bezels, which might give it a new aesthetic from previous handsets. Summable further adds that same panel will also make its way into the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro. While there are a number of valid reasons why Samsung wouldn't apply this on a retail product, durability and battery life would be the two primary ones. Just because Samsung is testing brightnesses up to 2800 nits does not necessarily guarantee that we will see this peak brightness at launch. Even though there are still several months until the Galaxy S24 series is officially released, things are currently looking excellent. We can't wait to see what Samsung has in store for us when that time comes. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in a comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.